Every line I pen, every melody is a piece of my soul, a part of me. The things I've seen, the life I've led, the dreams I've chased, the tears I've shed. Each word I write is a story told of lessons learned and hearts made bold. In every note my heart takes flight. Through every song I find my light. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. Through the highs and lows, the twists of fate, the moments small, the moments great, in every rhythm, in every rhyme, I capture fragments of my time. The laughter shared, the nights alone, the strength I've found, the love I've known. In melodies my heart is free to share the truth of what I see. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. It's more than just a simple tune. It's a way to touch the moon, to reach across the miles and years and whisper hope into your ears. Being able to write and share is a gift beyond compare. Through every song I give a part of my own soul, my beating heart. So when you listen, know it's true. Each song I write is meant for you, a testament to life's embrace, a melody to find your place. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. In every note, in every line, I give you all the heart of mine. And as you listen, feel it too. That's why I write these songs I do.
Well, I just got some dead ash trees down, really decomposing while they're still standing. I've got tons more, but I got I think 4 in total so far. And they just, when they hit the ground, they just basically explode. So And I've got a hole up there right now around, I think that's a pig nut there. I'll have to check it closely. But what I'm doing is just going to take down some of these dead ash trees and cut them up if they're not good for firewood. Some of these are just too punky to do anything with firewood. There's good sections that I cut up, but some of it's just not worth it. Some would be beautiful boards too, but yeah, I want to clear out some of these dead ones right in here and here. Took a maple out next to that maple right there. And yeah, so we'll dig another hugelkultur pit for all of this wood and the root balls as well. So we got a few root balls in here. See, some of these are combo trees. Yeah, so that's one with some root suckers coming up there. There we go, got 3 different trees coming up in this root ball. And a couple of singles over there. So we're going to make some progress over here. It's starting to rain right now. It's supposed to have some high winds and big storms, so hoping Elon is okay right here. I think it will be. You just never know when the high winds come. So yeah, pretty productive day today. Got some brush cutting alongside of the swale systems and all. Yesterday I finished covering up this hugelkultur pit over here, and then got a few trees down over here. I want to take a few more down before I dig another pit over here. Bit by bit, we'll make headway.